Hey, good morning everybody. Really it's day one at Interski. Yesterday was kind of a prep day, so this is the first official day of the Interski Congress. Lots of action going on behind me here on the practice slope. Today we have the opening ceremonies happening this afternoon, which is going to be today's big event. So all the countries will be on the demo slope kicking off this event. There will be a March of Nations, a parade through the village at the ski resort here, and it's pretty much a perfect day for it. Sunny, blue sky, hot weather. They've actually closed the official demo slope this morning. Snow's just too soft, so they want to keep it nice and smooth for this afternoon's show. So stay tuned. It is being broadcast live on Bulgarian TV as well, and so that's pretty exciting. So lots of stuff coming today, and check out the blog interski.casi-acms.com. All the team members are posting updates each day of their the workshops and the events that they attend. Stay tuned.
This is a nice one. There you go. Way to go, you guys. That was good.